Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Praise and we are continuing the series Mastering Linux Command for cybersecurity professionals and system administrators. So in this next video, we're going to be talking about directory navigation and also disk usage, so to know how much storage you have left in your Linux-based system. So without any further ado, let's not waste our time and go ahead. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you something interesting and something cool, something customizable for yourself. So stick with me and you're going to see what that is. So starting, the first command we're going to be looking at is the df switch h command, and that shows you the free and the used space on your mounted file system. So let's not waste our time and go ahead. So df switch h shows me the size I have and the used, the available, the percentage of used, and where it is mounted on. So very good thing you need to know when you are using your system as a Linux administrator or cybersecurity professional. So the next one is to show free and used inodes on mounted, that is mounted in your file system. So the same command, but you use the switch h. That shows you all the inodes, the used, the free, and the mounted. So to see display disk partition and sizes and their types, you use the fdisk command, switch L, and that shows you cannot open that because I don't have my permission to do that, and I need to be root or sudo to do that, to put my complex password, and that shows me my disk partition, the size, and their types. So, and the next command we're going to be looking at is the du switch a h, and that displays the disk usage for all files and directories in human readable format. That's in the GB, megabytes, and all of those. So du switch ah, and check that, it goes on and on and on and on and on and on. So this shows you for all all of those in that current directory that you're under. So this is all of them. So total disk usage when it's not in human readable format, I think I should show you that, but just simple with the switch sh, and that shows you that. Just that, doesn't show you the files and all. So to display the size of all the files in a directory, you just use the same command, the du switch a, and the directory. Let's say you want to check one in the home in the Kali directory, home Kali, then you click that, and that shows you all of those similar to that. So you want to know the file size in the current directory, you can do that. Let's suspend this and let's check in another directory, home Kali and secret. Let's check what is there, the file size there, and that shows you the files and their sizes. So it's a really neat command to know, so you can keep that in your head. So to list all mounted file system with details, what you do is find mount, simple as that, and that shows you in a very neat way. So something that you need to know, a really cool command. So we're going to directory commands, that's directory navigation commands. So if you are liking what you're seeing so far, please click the like button, subscribe, and let's get this channel rolling. So let's go to that without wasting much time. And the next one we're going to be looking at is the cd double dot, and that takes you back a single step backwards. So let's pwd, where are we? We're in home. Let's go back, see if we can go back, and we're back, pwd. Where are we? We are in the base of the root folder, so that's it. So let's cd back to our home home directory, and let's cd to Kali and ls. We'll have here pwd, trying to refresh your memory, and we can clear that. So the next command is to just when you just type cd, it takes you back to the home directory. pwd, where am I? Home Kali, so ls. Sorry. So let's clear the screen, and so let's say you want to go to the /etc directory, so you can just move to that straight away. etc, and takes you there. pwd, where are we? In the etc folder. So cd takes you back to home, so you get that. So sorry, you clear the screen. So I told you that I have something really neat to show you, and Linux is a very cool system or operating system. I know it's a kernel, to say the right word. So but Linux is really cool. You can make your own command. So that's the thing I was going to show you at the end of this video. So let's say we're going to make a command, and that command name is, let's say, something cool. Let's call that command Putin. Let's tell the waters. So we're going to make a command that's cd to etc, or no, let's do something cool. Let's create a command that does an nmap search for Google. I think I'll be using that explanation a lot. So let's create a command that does an nmap search for, let's say, the FBI website. I don't have permission to do that, so I'm just going to make something up so I don't get into trouble. So to do that, use the alias and go to no, let's call, I say we want to call the name of that command Putin. So Mr. Putin, please don't be offended. I am just using this for illustration purpose, and we're going to do an nmap search of FBI.g0v. So I'm not searching your website FBI, so this is just for illustration purpose. So we hit enter, and let's type Putin. And remember, it's case sensitive. Oh, it does that. So sorry for that. So let's create another command to satisfy the other guy's name, Zelensky. So let's make no, I don't think I want to do that, so I don't want to start something that I can't stop. So what I'm going to show you is that Putin wasn't a command in Linux based system, so we all know that that is not right. So let's do another one. So you can use this for any command you want to create. Let's search for let's say we want to do a cd command to we want to go to that secret directory we had initially. So I have a little time here, cd home and Kali, and also home and Kali and secret. So we're trying to go to this place and copy this for use later, and we're going to go to our this alias command. I hope I'm pronouncing it properly. No, we're going to a place called secret. Let's say that, let's type secret and know that there's no command like secret. Sorry about my typing. There's no command like secret, so no command. So we're going to use the alias command. Alias, we're going to call sorry for that, alias secret, and I'm going to click equal to and type the command, single quotes, type the command we want to use that. So we choose Shift V to copy, and I think we're done. Click enter, and once we go to secret is now a command. Enter pwd. Makes your life a lot easier to have your own command. How cool is that? So click the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. This channel is going to get interesting, lots of cool stuff that we want to do as we grow. So have a wonderful day. Thank you.